Hola YouTube, first upload. Not exactly sure how this is gonna go yet, but we'll see what happens. I was super excited to finally order this about a week ago. Package gets here today. Funny thing is, I was laid off from work today. It's alright. Things happen for a reason. You make good out of the bad in your adventure begins, right? I'm not gonna make this a long video. Not gonna talk much. They're new tools. There's nothing much to say. Wow. Got some Allen wrenches. Some long extension hose pliers. Impact socket set, metric, and standard. Now, I've never been a fan of storage things, but I'm guessing it's because I've never actually used them. So I'm actually gonna give these a try. Got some little mini flush cuts. Diagonal cutters. Some little boxes too. Open this up. What do we have in here? Some more paper. Oh, some stubbies. Stubby 3/8. Stubby quarter. Tight spots in aviation. Oh, which I got laid off from. Some socket adapters, ratchet adapters, 3 different sizes. Another box. Let's see what this is. Some vice grips. Oh, they got massive teeth on them. They look like they got a good bite. These might be needle nose vice grips. Yes, they are. They look pretty nice. That's how they work. Cut away of these. Oh, some needle nose pliers. Some needle nose. What, a 90-degree? Looks like that's it for this box. Oh, also my receipt with all the items I ordered. Total weight 127. Got one more box. Box number 2. I've never bought so many new tools at one point. My collection behind me is a collection of old random stuff collected over many years. Tekton Everybit, 135 piece for electronics. Once had a job in electronics. Let's see what this is. Sounds rattling weird. Use those bits to work on modding my DMG Game Boy, the old gray brick from the 80s. A whole bunch of screwdrivers, some stubbies, and some longer ones. 1s, 2s, and 3s. big box. And another big box. That out the way. What is this? Let's put up a fight with me. Whole mess of matches. Metric standard. With the little rack for the last box. I'll just open. This has to be my 1/4" Ratchet set. 1/4" Ratchet set. Standard and metric. Not gonna lie, all this stuff looks pretty nice. We'll see how it works. That's everything. That's somewhere over $400 worth of Tekton sitting here on my table. How to work. There it is. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. I'm here if you have questions. Just amazed at all this stuff I was actually able to afford. Until next time, peace. Also, if you know anyone who's hiring, please let me know. Thank you.